Okay, in this video I'm going to I want to change a few of the settings for my Windows 7 machine so it moves a little bit quicker, and I also want to talk about the different window modes. Um, so I'm going to open up Oracle VM VirtualBox. I'm going to be changing the settings for my Windows 7 machine. So I have my Windows 7 machine. Notice how it's powered off right now. That's good. I'm going to click on Settings, and I'm going to go to Display, and I want to increase that video memory, drag it all the way up, and then I want to actually check both of those things. Just drag, make sure that this is dragged all the way up, and I want to make sure that both of those are checked. What That's just going to actually speed things up a little bit faster in here. And yeah, that's basically all I want to do. Yep, that's good. Okay, so that was all under display. So I click OK. I double click on my Windows 7 machine to launch it. And then as soon as this launches, I want to talk about the different view modes. So there's actually three different view modes. We have full screen mode, we have seamless mode, and we have scaled mode. Okay, being able to switch in between those is really important. So if you notice on here, in order to like bounce in and out of them, it gives you gives you like the keyboard shortcut, but the keyboard shortcut is like host plus F, host plus L, host plus C. Well, host is actually your control key, but it's not either of the control keys. It's just your right control key. So it's the control key that's right next to your arrows. If you use the left control key, it won't work. So a lot of times I like to go to view and then full screen mode. The reason working in full screen mode is really nice is this will allow us to just have multiple windows open, and it'll kind of really allow us. But if we ever need to get back to our host machine, this can get a little complicated. There's a couple ways to do it. Number one, if I scroll down here to the bottom, I can always go to view, and then I can go back to like scaled mode if I wanted. Notice how scaled mode doesn't have that. If I hit Control C one more time, it'll kind of break out of it. And that's really the best way to do this. So I go to full screen mode all the time, but to break out of this full screen mode, I just hold Control, and it's the right control key. So it's the control key that's right next to your arrows keys. The control key and the C key, that breaks us out of it once. That actually brings us to scaled mode, but a lot of times scaled mode isn't the best because a lot of times we're going to want this navigational bar up on top. So we hit Control C one more time on our keyboard, and that's going to bring this menu up. And that's it. So you can use the scaling mode for any of your virtual machines, so your Linux machine, your Windows 10 machine, any of your any of your virtual machines, and you'll see me bouncing in and out of that all the time. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to do that. It's the control key and the C key, and again, to go to like full screen mode, you could do the control C and the F key to go to full screen, and then control C to get out of that, and then yep, that's it. So let me know if you have any questions.